Want every sale linked to the right customer? Let us set that up. In this video, you will add and manage your customers. Open the customer screen from the main menu. Click Add Customer to create a new profile. Enter the customer name so you can find them quickly. Add their phone number for receipts and follow up. You can also add an email address and a home address. Save, and the new customer appears in your list. GOF POS always keeps one default customer called walk-in. Walk-in is used for quick sales when no name is needed. As your list grows, use the search box at the top. Type a name or phone number to find anyone in seconds. You can also filter the list to sort your customers. To edit a customer, open their profile and update the details. Now let us link a customer to an actual sale. On the sales screen, look for the customer selector. Pick the customer before you check out the order. Their purchase is now recorded under their account. This builds a clear history of what each customer buys. In the next video, we will add suppliers and record purchases.